Say something, you guys.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm going to get through the snow.
And it's Ed, and this is Storm Juno in January of 2015.
All right, what's going to happen?
We're going to throw Margie in the snow.
All right.
That way.
Say goodbye, Marg.
1, 2, 3.
Get her out.
Come out!
All right, that's it. Oh, look at her pants. Come on. Look at you, Marg. You survived.
Wow!
Look at Mama.
Do it again.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. How about, will you pull this on?
Yeah.
Well, this will be our last time.
All right.
Mom, you have to videotape this time.
You're going to be cold in about a second.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep. Okay, ready?
Oh my God. Can you believe, Mom?
I don't know, but my hands are freezing.
Throw me over there now.
Yeah.
How's your back, Marg? Cold?
No,
Ready?
it's free.
Take 2.
Here she goes.
1, 2, 3.
Marg, move up your head.
You in there?
Now she's acting.
You home? Take yourself off.
Ow.
What?